I appreciate your question. It's relative and important to me because I invented this because of my father who had balance problems. And the balance problems might not seem so bad, but he was an avid bowler. And that's why he got away from my mother once or twice a weekend. And so when his balance got off, he couldn't bowl. And that really affected the quality of his life. So I can appreciate that your balance problems have also affected other parts of your life. The ReBuilder can help. You can go to rebuildermedical.com. You can call 304-725-2202 and you will get a real person to answer the phone and help you acquire your ReBuilder. Our customer service staff will even walk you through using it in real time while you're using it, not just before or after. We'll do everything we can to help you get one.